Lorenz curve. In 1905, Max Otto Lorenz, a doctoral student at the University of Wisconsin, developed a graphical representation of income equality and income inequality, now known as the Lorenz curve. The Lorenz curve can be used to illustrate the percentage distribution of income or wealth on the y-axis. In this situation, we're going to look at income. The vertical axis represents the total income of the economy in 20% increments. The horizontal axis represents the cumulative percentage of families. The white dashed line, this one right here, represents the line of perfect equality. 20% of the population receives 20% of the income in the economy. 40% of the population receives 40% of the income. 60% of the population receives 60% of the income, and so forth. So again, this dashed line is the line of equality. Obviously, there's no countries on this earth that have perfect equal distribution of income, the white dashed line. Using quintiles, or 1/5 or 20% of a given amount, Max Lorenz was able to demonstrate on a graph a comparison among countries of the relative equalities and inequalities of the distribution of income. The red line, which is called the Lorenz curve, is the unequal distribution of income. So we have equal distribution of income and unequal distribution of income. Notice that 60% of the population only gets 30% of the income. Another way of describing this then is that 40% of the population gets 70% of the income. Looking at point B, notice that 90% of the population receives 70% of the total income. But this also means that the top 10%, going from 90% to 100% of the population, receives 30% of the total income in the economy.